Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious pudding recipe step by step. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Also, have your preferred flavoring, like vanilla extract, ready. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature for the best results, and prepare your saucepan and whisk. Next, in your saucepan, whisk together the sugar and cornstarch thoroughly. This step is crucial to prevent any lumps from forming later. Gradually pour in the 2 cups of cold milk, stirring continuously until the mixture is completely smooth. Place the saucepan over medium heat and continue to stir frequently as it warms up, bringing it to a gentle simmer. As the mixture heats, you'll notice it starting to thicken. Keep stirring constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes until it reaches your desired pudding consistency. Once it's thick enough to coat the back of a spoon, remove the saucepan from the heat right away. Now is the perfect time to stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or any other flavoring you prefer. Finally, pour your warm pudding into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. To prevent a skin from forming on top, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding. Let it cool slightly at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours until it's completely chilled and set. Garnish with fresh berries or whipped cream and enjoy your homemade treat. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.